Hey everyone, welcome to Wig Review Central at Shirley's Wig Shop. Click the black subscribe button under this video to subscribe for free to this channel so you never miss a wig review, hair topper review, how-to video, color spotlight, and much, much more. If you enjoy this video, click the like button. We are featuring a Belle Tress style. This is Chloe, and Chloe is in the color Shaken Oakmilk Blonde-R, and we'll talk more about the color later in the video. We'll also take a look at the color outside in natural light. If after the wig review you would like to shop colors or purchase Chloe, I have left a product link in the video text box or description box under the video where you can click and shop at shirleyswigshop.com using my discount code Julia30 to save 30% off this beautiful style. Chloe's precise layers frame the face beautifully. You see how you have this wispy fringe here at the sides and how it feathers slightly. The BelleTress famous heat-friendly fibers are so soft and silky to the touch. It feels and moves like human hair. What I like best about the Chloe style is that the density is minimal. It's just a very natural density and gives further realism to this gorgeous style. Chloe features a 100% hand-tied luxurious cap that is oh so soft to wear against your scalp. Every synthetic fiber is hand-tied with tiny knots with a special ventilation and knotting method that allows the hair to move freely and naturally. This style features a ear tab to ear tab lace front that is sheer and perfect for all skin tones. It is beautifully done. Tiny knots. I love the way BelleTress has designed Chloe here at the front to lay away from the face with this gorgeous lace front that looks like a natural hairline. No one will know that you're wearing a wig. Now this luxurious style features a monofilament top. You can part this wig left, center, or right. It is currently parted to the left, and that's how it came out of the box. Later in the video, we will try different parts so you can see what this style looks like with a center and right part. Let's take a look at the cap. Chloe's wig cap is beautifully designed. You have this beautiful lace front that is ear tab to ear tab. It is sheer, the knots are hand tied, tiny knots, beautifully done, a seamless transition into the full monofilament top. You also have these adjustable silicone ear tabs. You don't have to, but if you wanted to, you could add adhesive to the ear tabs. This cap is so luxurious and soft. It does have a little bit of stretch. Very, very soft against the scalp. In the back, you have this standard nape, and you have these pull adjusters. Now the adjusters allow you to change the circumference of the wig cap, smaller or larger, by ½ inch. The cap size of Chloe is average. It fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. Now this style does have a little bit of stretch to the cap. I feel that it's quite roomy. I have the adjusters on the loosest setting and it fits me comfortably. I think if you are a petite average, or slightly larger than average, you can wear this style without a problem. The heat-friendly fiber is oh so beautiful. My fingers go through it. It's silky soft, no tangles, no snags. Now you can treat this like your own hair in that you can use heat styling tools. Add barrel curls, add beachy waves, whatever your heart desires. I would like to point out that I have discovered with this particular Chloe wig. The description from BelleTress says that this style is 16 inches long, but when I measured it, it measures at 14 inches long on the sides and in the back. To me, that is not a big deal. I love this style regardless if it's 14 inches or 16 inches. Let's talk about this gorgeous color. This color is Shaken Oakmilk Blonde-R. It is a rooted color. This is a dark ash blonde with cool light blonde and creamy platinum highlights. And you can see the highlights here. The roots are a medium brown, I would say a number 8 root. I love this color. I think it is absolutely beautiful. It's a darker ash blonde that I think was very much needed in the BelleTress Salon Color palette. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. Let's take a look at the different parting spaces that you can accomplish with this gorgeous style. It's parted to the left currently. Let's part it right down. Because this is a heat-friendly style, if when you part the fibers, they do not lay down in the direction that you need them to, you can always use a flat iron or a curling iron to set your part. I have a video that shows you how to do that, and I will leave it in the video description box under this video. You can click and watch. Here it is, parted in the center. Let's part it to the right. I love the fringe. Look how beautiful it is, the way that it flows and is side sweeping. For a long, narrow face shape like mine, it's very complimentary. Also, because it's heat stylable, you have unlimited styling options with it, and it does look very natural, tucked behind the ear. Well, thank you so much for watching our wig review of the Belle Tress Chloe style from the Lux Collection. If you would like to shop colors or purchase Chloe, I have left a link in the video description box where you can click and shop at shirleyswigshop.com using my discount code Julia30. Now, if you have questions about colors and how the colors compare to another brand's colors, please join Shirley's Facebook page, Hair's Looking at You Kid. I've left a link to that as well in the description box. You can learn so much about how different colors compare. You can join the fun and conversation. There's also wig parties where you can get fantastic deals on name brand wigs. Now, if you wear Chloe, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Please leave your comments in the comments section below the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.